Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This week I've picked up this watch organising case. Got it off Facebook, but there's loads of different ones of these on Amazon and on eBay. And they're essentially like a faux leather case with a nice little latch on the front, and it's like a perspex lid. And inside there was a grid to hold 24 watches, which I've taken out. So I've also pre-cut a piece of shadow foam easy peel, a little slot in there. And then what we're going to do this week is organise some kind of security items, things that you might want on hand, quite visual, so you can, with one glance, you can check that, you know, nothing's missing or nothing's been taken. So let's have a look. So you may have seen some of these items. We actually did a series on our channel of Amazon cases where we took a very cheap but good quality Amazon case, which is sold on the premise of being a GoPro case, and we took out the interior and we repurposed it for a variety of different things. So we've gone through all of those and we've taken out some of the items that we think might look quite good in this case. So this is a pellet gun. Obviously in the UK you can't have firearms. This is just fire small .17mm pellets. We've also got some of these like criminal identifier sprays. These are also UK legal. They just fire an ultraviolet spray, which is really difficult to wash off, so it's a deterrent. We've also got some handcuffs that can go in there, should make this look quite good. We've also got a multi-tool and like a leather case. This is like a very small pocket knife that you're allowed. Also a little sharpener, key for that. We've also got another little smart pocket knife. We've got a few other bits and bobs, a torch. Let's do a layout, and then we'll cut them all in and see what it looks like. You want a rough layout before you start cutting any items. I think with something like that, we can even slot that underneath. We can make like a secret section. We can maybe show you how to do that actually. That's what we'll do in this, and then we can put these two above it. Okay, so let's do that first. So what I've just alluded to there is like a secret section. We don't really, that's quite an ugly box. There's not much to it, plus it's only got the pellets in it. So to have that hidden out of the way would be quite good. Place it where we want it to go. Then we cut around it, but with this item, we're going to cut all the way through. When you're all the way through, hopefully that tin now should sit in the bottom, and we've got around about 15-16mm on top. So now we can cut this, we can trim 15-16mm off the top of this, and put it back on the top, and then we can cut another item in it. And that way we can maintain a really nice look to the case. There you go, so cut that down. And it's like you'd never know it was there, but obviously it's accessible if you need to. You get to that tin, we could even cut a little, just to make it a little bit more accessible, we'll cut a little finger hole underneath, and you'll see why this is useful in a minute. We'll just go like a round, like a half round. Obviously you won't be able to see this, it doesn't matter how good it is. We want to basically cut that down a bit further than this. So if that tin's 25mm, we'll go down 30mm. And that way you can't see it from the surface. So you maintain the look of the liner. But to get the case out, it's far easier because you can just slip your thumb in that gap there. So that's good. So that's the tin taken care of. Put the lid back on top of it. And then on top of there, really we want to keep some items that are quite shallow and don't really go any further past. So we'll put that little knife and then that little sharpener there. The whole goal of this is that you can have this maybe in a cupboard somewhere on a shelf. If ever you need any of these items, you don't even have to open the case to just have a quick look and know you've got everything. Nothing's gone missing, no one's taken anything. Let us know in the comments below what you think you could use this case for and what colour easy peel you'd use. And if you like this video, we do a video every single week, so subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and then as soon as our videos go live, you'll be the first to know.